Hello folks, and welcome to another battery test video. For some time now there's a rumor on the internet that IKEA's Lada batteries are rebranded Panasonic Eneloop Pro. Indeed, both batteries are manufactured in Japan and they do have a pretty similar capacity, 900 mAh for the Lada versus 930 for the Eneloop Pro. So today's video is going to be about those two batteries and how well are they performing. That's why here I have my smart battery charger discharger, which I'm planning to use and discharge two Eneloop Pro and two IKEA Lada batteries and see which one of them is better. When discharging, the device is programmed to discharge the batteries until they reach 0.9 volts. When they reach that threshold, the device automatically starts to charge them. So I will be monitoring the whole process and writing down the values. Later, I will declare the winner, either the Lada or the Eneloop Pro. I have already charged all four batteries, so now let's insert them. Let's power up the device and compare the initial voltage of the batteries. All full. Let's see their voltage, 1.44, 46, 45. Now let's power up again the device and select the discharge mode. Discharge mode. Now let's select the highest discharge current, 350 milliamps, and wait for the process to start. And it has started. Here we can monitor the discharge current of each one of the batteries, the elapsed time, the voltage of each one of the batteries, and of course the milliamps per hour they managed to provide. After 1 hour and 35 minutes, this is the condition of the batteries. The voltage of all four of them is pretty equal, and they all managed to provide 539 milliamps per hour. After 2 hours and 8 minutes, all four batteries are still moving head to head with very little difference in their voltage. They all managed to provide 728 milliamps per hour. 2 hours and 45 minutes, and all four batteries managed to provide their rated capacity. And still they have pretty equal voltage. And it seems that this water will be the first battery to leave the race. Let's see how much more energy it will be able to provide. (980 milliamps per hour for this WADA over here. Let's take a look at the remaining batteries. And the second WADA will be discharged very soon. (990 milliamps per hour for the second WADA. And yes, the two Eneloops are definitely better. 995 milliamps per hour for this Eneloop, and we are left with only one Eneloop, and its voltage is dropping quite rapidly. Two hours and 56 minutes. (1000 milliamps per hour). (1001). The two Panasonic Eneloop Pro are definitely better than the two IKEA's WADA, but the price tag of the WADA is really tempting, and I might say that it's not worth buying the expensive Eneloop Pro when you have the LADA as an option. So that's from me, guys. If you like the video, thumbs up and subscribe.